20 plus internship opening for the profile of web development, Android development, Python, Java developer, cloud engineer, blockchain, product management, Android developer for the batch of 2022, 23, 24 students. Any year student can apply right now. Hey guys, this is Achintya Gomath. So in this video we are going to talk about 20 plus internship openings which are part-time that you can do with your college as well. You will be given work in the form of tasks that you can do in the weekends, in the evening, 3 to 4 hours per day, or in the weekends where you can dedicate more time. Most of all the internships are remote, like COVID is also rising, lockdowns will be coming, so all the internships are remote. They have their starting date in either January or in February, so you can directly join them, do all the process. All you will be needing is the knowledge of that skill. You must be having some projects to show to get shortlisted for the interview round. In the interview you will be asked some question to evaluate your knowledge about that skill. You can also be asked some problem solving related questions like DSC etc., but that will not be a deciding factor. Key thing here will be your projects and your knowledge of that skill. So let's start the video. Before we begin, I would like to make a humble request. Please subscribe to the channel. At least 40% students who are watching the video don't subscribe to the channel. So please subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing you weekly updates of internship like this. So please subscribe so that you get to know about all of these internship updates with the correct time. Also please like the video. We are taking a like target of 250 likes for this video, so please like the video. It helps us our video to reach more and more students, and they can also get benefited by our good quality content. So let's start about the opportunities. First we'll talk about web development related opportunities. If you are looking for any other skills, I have mentioned in the timestamp, so you can skip to that. Data science, Python, Java etc., whichever you want to apply. So first is at Hypertool. They are looking for full stack developer. MERN stack is there. Don't get confused by all those clients. If you're not aware about them, it's okay, but you must be knowing the basic skill. They are offering a stipend very good, 20 to 30,000 per month, 3 months starting from 17th of Jan. 22, 23, 24 batches eligible, except first year. All batches can apply in it. Okay. Also, if a first year student is very good, they will consider that person. General assessment round 1, they will be exploring your background, projects, technology. They will shortlist you, then they will give you some project that you have to do, which will be monitored, as they are giving you a very good stipend, so they will be very good assessment, so you can get an idea from it. Minimum CGPA is 7. If you have a percentage, you can convert it to CGPA and apply accordingly. Link is there in the description. You will find in the same order in which I am discussing all the opportunities in the video. Next is GurukulBytes, full stack developer. They are looking for a mean stack developer. This is not React. In this they are looking for MongoDB, Angular, but this is optional. Okay, mandatory skill is Node.js. 22, 23 batch students can apply. They will also consider second year students if you have good projects and experience or knowledge of the skill of mean stack. Okay. So Node is necessary, rest is optional. Okay, 10-minute discussion call. This is the same process will happen in all companies. They will look at your projects, your resume. If it is good enough, they will get on a small discussion and line up, understand your expectations, stipend, etc., time you can devote, and then they will line up you for the interview. 12 to 20,000 they are offering. You can definitely go and apply. Full stack developer, Yottabite, 6 to 16,000 they are offering. They are looking for Node.js, MongoDB, React is not there, so their preference is tier 1 college students. So if you are from NIT, Triple IT, IIT, GTU, you will be given more preference, and if you are from not any such college, you can also apply. If you have good projects etc., you will be definitely considered. Next is front-end developer at Intugine technology. They are offering 10 to 15,000, looking for a skill of React.js developer. Start date is 10th of January, so please apply fast. It's starting very soon. Okay, लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. और कहाँ होगा भाई लिंक मैं भी बार बार बोलता रहता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन बैकएंड डेवलपर एंड Intugine. दिस इज Node.js developer. Please apply ASAP. It is starting from 10th of January. Okay, you must have good projects etc. Now we talk about data science and machine learning related internship. First profile is data engineer intern at Microsec. It is a Singapore based company, but it is going to be a remote internship, so you can definitely apply. Okay, so they are offering a good stipend of 10 to 25,000 per month starting from 17th of January. Okay, so you need knowledge of Python deployment, you need to knowledge of Django etc. Okay, so these questions will be asked related to that. You can definitely explore all the details, but you will be expect question on TensorFlow, LSTM. These are the common models and tools that you need to know. So the next opportunity for machine learning engineer is at Cruxe. Cruxe company is an AI based company which is looking for machine learning engineer intern. They're offering a stipend of 7 to 5,000 per month, 3 months internship starting from 18 Jan. Mandatory skill is Python and the usual stuff that is needed for data science. You can definitely apply for this opportunity. Next we talk about Android and mobile development related. I have only taken native development internships, and Flutter is not covered by me because not many students are interested for it. If you want Flutter related internship as well, please let us know in the comment section. This is mobile app developer in Tapa. Java company, 20 to 30,000 stipend is offered per month starting from 6th of Jan, which is today. So please apply ASAP because they might get extended by a few days, but it's already very late. So native Android is needed. It's either Kotlin or Java. Okay, so please go quickly and apply. So how it's going to happen, as for other skills, I have told you, they will look at your project, your skill set mentioned, and they shortlist you. Then you will get on an introductory call. If they like you, they will see your expectations of stipend, how much serious candidate you are. If you are a serious candidate, then they will take you for further rounds of interview. In that, they will ask you questions from your project, and then some technical questions will be asked. DSA is optional. It's not mandatory that they will ask you DSA, but it's optional. Mobile app developer at SchoolMitra, 15 to 25,000 stipend. It's also starting from today, yesterday. So please apply ASAP. Okay, native Android, Java and Kotlin both are available. Please apply fast. Next is mobile app developer at Antino Labs, 12 to 20,000 per month stipend is being provided. Okay, so don't worry about the start date. If it link is still available there and it's not mentioned expired on Qvet platform, then it means they are still hiring for that role. Okay, so don't worry about start date. It gets delayed by a few days, so don't worry about that. You can go and apply for it very quickly. Flutter is also available in this. Kotlin is optional. Java and native Android is mandatory, so you can definitely go apply if you are looking for mobile developer related internship. Next, we are going to talk about Java development related internships. 3 internships we are going to talk. This is Java developer at Skillovilla. It is in office mentioned here, but it will not happen because COVID has spread and most of the companies are switching back to work from home. So don't worry, go ahead and apply it. It will switch back to remote itself. Okay, 15 to 25,000 per month starting from 15th of Jan. Okay, Spring Book framework. So they will look at your project, shortlist you on the basis of that. Then they will get on a introductory call with you. I'm telling you again and again because we are discussing different skill each time. Okay, so then they will see what is your expectations. Are you a serious candidate? If they find you a reliable person, then they will schedule an interview with you. In that, they will ask you a project, cross questions on that, and followed by a more rounds of interview on your technical knowledge. 6 is the minimum CGPA, 7 to 12 LPA PPO also possible. So go ahead and apply if you want to make a career in Java skill set. Second is backend developer at CommerceIQ. This is a remote internship for a US based company, so stipend will also be definitely very high, 50 to 1 lakh per month starting from 17th of Jan. So you'll be working on Java development stacks, Java Spring. So definitely go ahead and apply for it. Link is there in the description. Next is Fullstack developer Alippo. So it is a Java React based internship. So if you have both the skill set, then you can definitely apply for it. Okay. So introductory round, same as I told you, 1 or 2 technical rounds with the co-founder, HR team fit round. So first will be resume shortlisting, then discussion, then 1 or 2 technical rounds with the co-founder or CTO, whoever is going to. Now we're looking at some Python and Django related internship. It is a Python based development role at itmtb company. They are offering a stipend of 8 to 12,000 starting from 4th of Jan. Don't worry, start date is in the past, but if it is not written expired, which means the company is still hiring for this role. Okay. So you can definitely look at the details, projects, etc. is needing. It is not for certificate, it's for learning. So we also tell the students the same thing. So you can definitely go ahead and apply. Link is there in the description. If you are a Django based developer, then this opportunity is for you at OhLocal. They are offering 10 to 15,000 stipend starting 10th of January. Apply ASAP. This is a Django developer. They mentioned the hiring process. They will review the application and create a shortlist of candidate after 3-4 days of you applying. Then you have to solve a test problem for shortlisted candidate, 1 or 2 days task. Then they will share 1 more applications and arrange interviews after 6-7 days, and 2-3 days after your interview you will get the final result. So it's going to be a thorough process, so be ready for that. So next opportunity we are going to discuss, this is only for 2022 batch. Okay, so 23-24 batch can skip to the next video, 22 batch can look for it. So this is at backend developer at Inference Lab. This is a remote job for a US based company. They are offering a 30 to 40,000 stipend for 3 to 6 months, and then they are going to offer a PPO of a very good, at least 6 to 8 LPA, which is not mentioned. FT job offer will be decided once on the basis of your performance. So 2-3 technical round will be conducted. Tech stack is Python or Golang. So don't worry, they will be mostly asking you DSA related questions and basic questions on your project. So 2022 batch and 21 can apply. So mostly 22 must be watching, so they can definitely apply. 5 positions are there. There is a huge chance if you are got a job as a service based company, etc. So you can definitely apply in these companies. Second opportunity is backend developer at City Mall. You must be hearing about it a lot. They are offering a package of 7 to 10 LPA for freshers of 2022 batch. They are offering a stipend of 15 to 20,000 only for 2022 batch. So this is a Python Django related development base. So they must be having multiple technologies for, and they will be assigning different students on the basis of your performance in the internship. So they will also be asking you only DSA related questions in the interview round. You will get PPO if you do good work in the internship period. Okay, So 2022 batch students can apply in both the opportunities. Now we are talking about some Misc opportunity from different skill set. First is product management. Many students want to go into this domain. This has become very hot recently. So product management internship is at peak mind. They are offering a stipend of 10 to 15,000, 3 to 6 month duration, 5 to 6 hours starting from 18 Jan. So you must be knowing about Figma if you are interested in this field. So you must have some basic knowledge. They will not be understanding, not expecting a lot of proficiency, but some knowledge will be helpful. You can check out videos on YouTube. There is a community called Product Folks. You can join them if you want to make a field in product management field. So you can definitely go and apply and try your luck. Whether you get selected or not, that is secondary. Okay, you can business case studies. You can show your basic knowledge in SQL and database system will also help. Next opening is cloud engineer at a stealth mode fintech startup. Stealth mode is they haven't announced the product publicly, because in fintech, you know, there are a lot of legal issues, patent issues, etc. So don't worry about that. Cloud engineer, you have to deploy your services at either AWS or Google Cloud. They have mentioned both. They must have some services which are running on AWS. They must have some microservices which are running on Google Cloud. Okay, so you'll be given to work on any of that. So if you are a person who want to make a career in cloud engineer or DevOps or something like that, this is the internship for you. Go and apply. Stipend is also very good, 12 to 15,000, 3 months, only 3 to 4 hours per day of work. So this is very less of a work. You can easily manage with your college. 11 Jan starting date. Last internship is blockchain developer at Warp Street Strategies. So if you want to understand how blockchain works, there are some frameworks, protocols like Solidity you must be aware of. If you are interested by blockchain, then you can definitely apply for this internship. Stipend is okay, but you will get to learn a lot regarding blockchain. Okay, once you get in this domain, you can definitely go up, your earnings will increase. You can also do freelance projects, etc. Okay, so focus on learning, understanding the new technology, how it can be applied to solve different segment, different sectors. Once you learn, then you can definitely make a lot of money, and you can also upload a lot more internship on the Qubit platform. You can go to the dashboard, go to the browse section, and you can explore more such internships here as well. I hope I have given you all the information that you need to know. So please go and apply right now. Don't wait for the right time, right opportunity. Every time is good. The best time to apply is right now. Link is there in the description. Please go and apply. If you have any query, you can ask us in the comment section. We are always there to help you, support you. You can definitely join our WhatsApp group to stay updated about other openings as well.